Yes, all those stories. Just go and watch Alex in Wonderland in Amazon Prime. It's so interesting actually. Any Aravind essay lovers here? Oh. Good, now can we go back to the subject? I can't invite Alex and Arvind here. Friends. Okay? Automation. What is automation? Okay, filling up the forms automatically. Pick and place robot. Cutting down manual work. Cutting down laborious manual work and doing things using a system is automation. So whatever you are doing manually, you will start doing using a system. That is basically automation. So how many of you know about this automation? Hey, I have done some project. I have read about automation. What are the types of automation in the IT industry? Anybody? Hey girls, you have to gear up a lot. I don't see anything coming out of you. You have to gear up. Is it the pandemic which made you like this? Yes, so put the blame on pandemic, gone. Thanks. No, I am serious in saying this. You probably, I was expecting some people to at least tell that, okay, I know this, I've tried this. At least one or two folks who have tried at least could have raised their hand and say that, I've done a mini project here, I've done something in Java, I've done something in Kotlin or Android. Android apps, no. But it's better late than you can still start from today. So go through RPA, robotic process automation, DevOps. Have you heard of DevOps? Yes, sir. DevOps. Okay. So somebody is seriously making a note. I appreciate them. Please make a note and go and at least read about it. I'm not your professor who will tell us take notes. But these are jargons, keywords. You should go and search for it. Hey, what people are talking about DevOps? Let's go and I understand what this DevOps is all about. Okay. And there is a dedicated team which will work on automation to improve the efficiency. Okay. I have, so this event, 300 people are there, right? Assume there is a person sitting outside and filling the details of 300 people. How long does it take for them to fill it? Enter all these data manually. 1 hour, one person is doing it, assume. 3 to 4 hours, 2 people doing 1 hour, 3 people doing 45 minutes, whatever. What if you all put your data into a Google form? If a Google form is open, you put all your data into a Google form and it's automatically collected by somebody. How many minutes it takes? To create a form, it takes 4 minutes. To enter the data, it takes 1 minute for each of us, let's assume. 5 minutes, the job is done. It's not exactly automation, but it's a kind of automation just for your understanding. Okay? So these are the ways we should find to reduce the time. So reducing the time is automation. Reducing the laborious work, boring, laborious, monotonous work needs to be replaced by automation. And the last one is analytics, data analytics. Tableau, ClickView, BI reporting. Anybody have heard of these names? BI reporting, MSBI, Oracle, reporting tools, SAP. So these are the tools used for reporting actually. What is the importance of reporting? How many people in your college study from Chennai and how many study from outside of Chennai? Can anyone guess? May not be an exact number. Can anyone guess? I wild guess here. Why are you so thinking? 70%, 30%, 70-30, 70% of the people study from Chennai. Why is this data required? Your principal comes and asks your HOD, give me this data, how many of your students are from Chennai and how many are outside of Chennai. Why is this data required? Accommodation. How many of you needed accommodation? How many people need support to reach home? What reporting is very, very important. Okay, you go Amazon and buy something. You buy 3 products. Next day, 4th day you go. What will Amazon tell you? Recommended products. Why the hell Amazon has to tell what you want to buy? Okay, first of all, how are they able to tell that to you? Behind analytics. Analytics is behind. So, not just Amazon, Swiggy, Zomato, Oyo, everybody is using analytics. Use this for recommendation. Recommendation, one of the purposes of analytics is recommendation. If I am able to tell what my customer wants, right, I will win the business. Honestly, tell me, how many of you have bought? Okay, you wouldn't have you be using Amazon so much, but in general, how many of you buy some products in Amazon which is really not required, but it just listed in the recommendation? Your mom will support you. Your mom buys it? I buy it. I buy it that way. So because when you don't know what you want to buy and your fingers always goes to Amazon to find what is new, that is what is tapping the business. And assume Amazon would have made a huge money in recommending this, right? How do this recommendation? Analyze the data you have stored. I mean, whatever you have purchased, right? The past history they will analyze. Then on top of that, they will apply artificial intelligence logics. That's where AI is used. They will apply information. Oh, this guy is 38 years old. He has bought something related to his car, and that he is what do you say? His character level is like this. He's a male or female, and he is of this kind of a character who buys everything online, and he searches these products. There are 50, 60 inputs come that way. Then those becomes inputs for your machine learning. They will train the neural networks, and then they will come out with some algorithm, and that recommendation engine will throw something on front of you. If the algorithm is really successful, their recommendations is correct, and you will go and buy the same product, and it has happened to me. Exactly whatever I wanted, right? Amazon will tell what I want. You have seen Facebook? What does Facebook do in analytics? Advertisement. If you buy something in Amazon, Facebook will know what you bought in Amazon. Right? So all these are based out of what? Analytics. Data analytics. So that is very, very important in an organization. Data analytics, data science, artificial intelligence, all go hand in hand. Now, if I want to talk about growth of my company, right, then what kind of product should I sell? That is what this data analytics will do for me. Then I will write a data science algorithm on top of that to derive that. Which is the area that I need to focus. Now, you know who tells me the strategy? Earlier, 4 Buddha people sitting in some board, they will decide what is my strategy of this company, right? Now, today, my data science says, my analytics tool says that, hey, listen, this is what the strategy you have to follow. If you go in this path, this is the percentage growth. It goes to that extent of recommendation. If you go in this path, it is 35% growth possible. If you go in the third path, you will get 0% growth. Don't go there. And which we always tend to go in that path, and the tools will help us not to go to that path. What does it mean? What does it mean? Growth is directly possible with these analytics and data science tools. So now, the first thing which I was talking about, data, right? Data team stores the data. Analytics team picks the data and does intelligence on top of that and tells what we need to do. And application team shows the recommendation to the customer. All three go hand in hand. Data team gets the base data, analytics team do some analysis on that and gives the algorithm and other things. Application team shows that. An infrastructure team have to, somebody told cloud, I missed them. Cloud is used for infrastructure. I host my infrastructure, my servers, my platform, everything on cloud today. So that's another strategy for me. For your modern business, that is digital business, call it that way. What are all important? Data, analytics, excellent application which gives, unless you have an application which is the front end customer to log into Amazon, all the analytics is of no use. Excuse me. You will not be able to store anything without the application. Got it? Then automation. At the end, you will do automation to improve the efficiency. A lot of manual work in any office which we will automate. Okay, let's gear for our next digital, core digital. Now, any questions on this? This is how IT organization works. There is a data team, and each team there is a testing team for them. Data, development, testing, maintenance. Application, development, testing, maintenance. Analytics, development, testing, maintenance. So that's why I put development, testing, maintenance on the horizontal. So it applies for everything: infrastructure, development, maintenance. Everything has development, testing, maintenance. Where are you going to get fitted? That's the golden question, $1 billion question. You go inside the training, complete the training. People will evaluate you. If you are found very intelligent in the training, top 5 people or top 5% of the people will go to AI ML projects. The mid band will go to Java.NET projects. And I still go and enjoy my training in Accenture and Infosys. I stay back. Is maintenance bad? If something who have to come and troubleshoot. But at the same time, is chemistry and physics bad? On top of computer science? Why? The market value. I'll not say it's good or bad. Certain thing will have market value all the time on the top of the roof actually. So as the value. And it will come down. Tomorrow science will rule. Today, how many of you have seen the kids at 11th and 12th class, 10th, after 10th standard? The trend has changed now. Nobody goes to science, you know that? Why? What are they going to do? CA. God knows how many CAs will come and what are the CAs going to do without a product development or without an engineering. So CAs can only come when business improves, right? If it becomes a CA, what will they do without a business? So trend will keep changing. Engineering will go down, something else will come up. But nothing is what the argument here. But if you are thinking artificial intelligence is my passion to work on, then you have to stay top. This response is not sufficient. If you are to even answer me saying, I don't know what is Angular is, I don't know what is Java, Kafka, container, by now you should have heard of these words. Forget knowing about it. Have you heard of these words is what I'm asking. So that's what I wanted you to do the homework on, okay? So this is the landscape. Any questions around the landscape? Are you clear? Sleepy? I can't tell. Do anyone want to summarize what I spoke? Or should I come with my mic to your? I can still do it. I have teaching background. I didn't make any stand. Everybody is in the room. Can we do this? No. Then somebody should volunteer in that case. No volunteers? Can we spare somebody? Last semester, who was the topper in the class? Who was the second one? Who was the second one? Having any average or anything, CGPA or whatever. Who was the second one? Nobody second, so second, huh? Who's that? Can you raise your hand? Otherwise, I'll go randomly pick somebody. Okay, I will go random person in the 4th row from this side. And put it up. Fourth person from the fourth row. Hey, fourth person from the fourth row, yeah. Who's that? Can you come forward? You are the fourth person from the fourth row. Can you come forward? Come. Don't want to come? All your professors are sitting here. I am helpless. Fourth person from the fourth row this side. Somebody on the deluxe seating? Balcony deluxe seating? Club or cup class people. Okay, so any question on the serious note? Any questions around this? IT? Okay. Testing. All is not okay. Lower. Software. What was it based on? After 10 years, computers can come. No computer networks? Then next one, okay. Push to the next cell. HTTP. Correct topology of Chennai. So, my Bangalore data can be made available in Chennai. Delhi data can be available in Agra. How did that happen? By communication, network and communication. Then this mobile web banking started coming. I will open up a website where you log in and see all your data. Earlier, how was I seeing? I had something called as still passbooks are there, but earlier passbook was the only reference. Without passbook, I have no clues. I have to go to the bank and find it out. Today, I have everything in my mobile. So this is the transformation, right from ledgers till and hold. Still can I don't want to tell right away from this mobile, right? I can access mobile, all the banks from my mobile. Okay, so that is transformation. Digital is no new word. It those that is computerization, modernization are complex words those days. Electronics, some are complex. I agree. Space is means what is here? You don't know. Tomorrow, I mean, I don't know if you have seen some kind of WhatsApp forwarded message where you try ordering a pizza and he says, hey, you are weighing 75 kg, you can't eat more than one margarita pizza. This, how do you know that? I know that you purchased yesterday some cheese in your supermarket, so I know you are already paying so much and purchased cheese and etc. He says, you should not have pizza. That won't say, I don't. And to that extent, he will say what medicines you bought last week, all those things. How is that possible? In 20 years, it's going to happen. If you call a pizza vendor, you talk about everything like this. Because data is connected, communication, data, internet, all these revolutions will make it happen. What exactly is digital? It keeps continuing. The journey keeps. Digital is a concept. It's a again, your answer is there. And our agenda knowing that we will be able to access our expect that there is something like what will you